So what is going on, everyone? Homer Boss with you here. Welcome to my channel. So today we are showing you how to access all the Wi-Fi passwords using the command prompt, but I'm going to first show you how to access the password for the Wi-Fi that you're using. I'm using Monolith right now, so I'm going to show you. The first step is the first method is using the control panel. Let's go to the you go to the start menu, just type in control panel. It's going to bring you this and just open. You simply go to network and connect, view network status and tasks. So you come and click on the Wi-Fi password that you connected to. You can see here that I have my monolith connected here. So what you do here is just connect to the Wi-Fi and the name of your Wi-Fi. So come to wireless properties and security. Press show, and it's going to bring you the password. So this is my password. And in this scenario, you cannot, for example, let me show you something here. Go to settings, open them, network. So this method, the control panel method, does not get to show you all the Wi-Fi passwords that you have. Go to manage known networks. So when you come here, you can check that my mets, I cannot forget. I want properties here. We have the random. We have no option that allows us to see the password through this. So which takes us to our second method, which is the command prompt, where we're going to have to show all the passwords for the wireless networks that we have connected before using our device or our Windows PC. So let's close this. Okay, what you do is you go to your start menu here and type in CMD, which translates command prompt. Run as administrator, press yes, and we're going to type in netsh wireless LAN show our profile. Profile, I'm missing something. There you can see that what I've showed you before, the networks that I connected before, we are accessing them as our user profiles here. So these are the networks I imagine I've connected to ever since I installed these Windows. But now I showed you how we can see this password for Monolith for the Wi-Fi that we're connected to, but we want to know, maybe you want to know the night owl, maybe there is a Wi-Fi that you connected to and you don't remember the password. So what you do is you come and type in netsh wlan, which is a wireless local area network. So we're going to export the profile to a folder that is let's take it to our C drive now, our C drive, and that C drive. Okay, we want, what else do we want? We want the password to be visible. Okay, we want the key to be clear. Yes, to be clear. So you press enter and it does its magic. So you can see that we have used the C drive here. So what you do is you just go to your file explorer, just type in file explorer, open. I can access mine from here, but in case you have yours somewhere else, you can use that. Okay, just come to this PC and your local disk C here. You're going to realize we have all of them here. So if you double click on it, you're going to see that it brings you the it's going to use Internet Explorer by default to open this, but I would recommend that you right click you simply right click onto monolith as I showed you, open with a notepad. So what you're going to be looking for is the shared key, and our password is here. That's our password. And let me show you another network here. We have night all. Just open with notepad, and our shared key is still QWERTY1234. Let me check on the ones that I connected to a very long time ago. Okay, we have here, just open with a notepad, and yes, that's the password of my friend, where I usually go and pay them a visit. Okay, that is it. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can type them in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.